3, 2, 1. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. You feel what I'm saying now? Another video, another sneaker unboxing, another sneaker pickup, like we always say. But before we get into this video, bro, we have to get into the socials. The socials is going to be the Instagram at Chris Briggs and at Chris the Instagram is going to be at Chris Briggs and at Chris Briggs too. Check out that second Instagram, because if you follow me over there, now, the sneaker pickup for today, man, is going to be a very interesting one, because this is a sneaker that I have been looking forward to for a long time. But I'm not going to lie, I have just been waiting for the perfect time to buy the sneaker. You know, a lot of times when sneakers drop, man, they freaking fly off the shelves so quick that you have to get them as soon as possible. But sometimes there are sneakers that sit, and the shoes that sit, you don't just want to spend all your money outright. You want to see if the sneaker is going to go down in price. So there was a sneaker that I was kind of like red shirting for the longest of times, since like before Christmas, so probably like 2019. So it's a real big sneaker. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper, because we are about to get right into it. So let me go ahead and get the bag. So here's the thing, right? If I show you the bag right now, yeah, it's another chance bag. If I show you the bag right now, you're going to know automatically what type of shoe it is just based off the box. So we're just going to do a countdown of 3. You feel me? Are you ready? You ready? You ready? Smash the like button, because I'm really serving you guys with sneaker videos and the vlogs too. Check out Chris Briggs vlogs. But without further ado, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, maybe it does blind it. Okay, so let's do another one. And 3, 2, 1. Yup. It's a Jordan box, buddy. It's a Jordan box. Now thinking about it, you will probably already know that it's a Jordan box just by looking at the thumbnail. Should have V8. Now, yes, we do have a Jordan box. And this is a sneaker that I've been looking forward to for a long time, bro. So without further ado, like I said, bro, smash that like button, because I am giving you guys bangers. I am throwing you guys videos like crazy. But the sneaker that I had to pick up for today is the Air Jordan 6 Denim. Yes, the Denims. The controversial, the slept on Air Jordan 6 Denims. Now, a lot of people slept on this sneaker because a lot of people thought that this sneaker was trash. Let me go ahead and keep it real with you, bro. I'm gonna keep it 1,000 wild 350 with you, Trip. You feel me? 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 Now peep it. Right? When it comes to these Air Jordan 6 Denims right here, bro, if you know how to dress for real and you really know how to drip, then you really liked this shoe because you saw the potential in this sneaker. A lot of times people see weird shoes and they automatically just bounce them off and just discredit them, not knowing that like the sneaker's colorway might be a little awkward, but if you could pull it together with the perfect fit, you can really just crack heads. But a lot of people don't know about that, which shows me that a lot of people don't really have drip like they say they do. But when it comes to these right here, bro, these are the Air Jordan 6 Denims. These are fire, bro. Wow. Just think about it. All denim Air Jordan 6. Now, the Air Jordan 6 is one of my favorite Jordan models. Seeing pictures of Michael Jordan wearing these, it was just like, oh man, this is awesome. One thing that is cool about the Air Jordan 6 Denim that a lot of people didn't know, and I feel like if a lot of people did know, it would change their opinion of the sneaker, bro. This right here, bro, everybody's not gonna have this same pair. Now you're probably thinking like, what? Excuse me? What do you mean? What do you mean everybody's not gonna be able to have this same pair? Yeah, bro, everybody's not gonna be able to have this same pair. Every single pair of Air Jordan 6 Denim is different. They're all different, bro. Some of them have the super light denim on them, which was a pair that I was holding on to or trying to for a long time. Like a pair that have super light denim, super dark denim, low key like the 3 every M will shine out of one more than the other one. This side will be super dark, but then go up here super light. There's so many different variations of this sneaker that it's like, this is one of the most dynamic sneakers you honestly can't cop. Looking at this whole sneaker right here, bro, and just peeping the whole denim look is just like, dude, that's just, like, look at that. Look at that. Nah, don't focus on me. Focus on the Denim 6s, bro. Look at the denim, bro. Look at that. Those are killers right there. Now, just imagine, like, the more you wear this shoe, bro, and then it starts to distress a little bit, I feel like this sneaker dirty is going to look even better. Honestly, I wanted like 3 pairs of this sneaker because you can just do so much with it. You can bleach it, you can tie-dye it, but I do have a plan of what I'm going to do with this sneaker, so just hold off on it. Maybe I'll bleach it, maybe I'll tie-dye it and see what it can do. But the Air Jordan 6 denim, you just can't go wrong with these bad boys. But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Now, how did you guys like it? Did you guys think that it was dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. Yes, you gotta love it. Chris Briggs dropping bangers, bro. But without further ado, how do you guys feel about the Air Jordan 6 denim? Do you guys think that those are dope or trash? And also, just from watching this little quick video, did your opinions change on the sneaker a little bit? Let me know about that also. I got more stuff dropping soon. Thank y'all for watching as always. And all I gotta say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out. Yay!